If you want to make your videos stand out, or if you want to capture smooth automated shots, or even if you want to create amazing cinematic time lapse, get yourselves comfortable because the product that I will review today will help you up your director skills. Hello everyone and welcome to a new product review. I have here a product that helped me to take great shots while working on other reviews. It is called the Movie Maker Director Set from GripGear. I have searched for an affordable, decent electronic slider for quite a long time and I finally found this set. It is lightweight, easy to use and easy to store. I still keep my set in the original box, nice and organized. This set of tools comes with two slider tracks, one MD360 mount, one 360 panorama mount, one aluminium middle joint, a micro USB cable, a micro dolly attachment, an electronic camera slider, a remote control, a phone mount, a power wheel, and a ball joint. What exactly is it? This set is a compact motorized motion control slider. In other words, it is a set of tracks with a motor mount which allows the camera to move along the track at a constant or increased speed in order to give iconic shots. It works very well with smartphones and GoPro cameras, but can be also used with mirrorless cameras or small DSLRs that don't exceed 750 grams. Let's talk about the components and how to set them up. I'll start with the most important part and talk about the other bits as we go along. The main part of this set is the electronic camera slider. It has an internal rechargeable battery that can run up to 2 hours and it takes a bit more to charge it. As it uses a micro USB port, you can connect it to a USB battery pack for far longer run times. There are 4 buttons on the unit, 2 that control the start, the stop and the direction, and 2 that increase or decrease the motor speed. You can use the remote control which has the same buttons on it. There are 9 speeds to choose from, the slowest being very slow and the fastest being fairly quick. On the middle joint there is a handy guide printed that tells you how long the motor will take to cross the whole track at a specific speed. It is worth mentioning that there is no option to tilt or pan the camera while it is running on the track. You can attach all the other bits to it and it can be used in manual mode or electronic mode. Don't worry, I'll show you how. On the side it has the locking pin. This can move the slider on the track or can drive other tools. You can change it to manual mode if you pull out the pin and it will move manually across the track. If you push it back, then it goes into electronic mode. On the other side it has another locking pin that is used for the ball joint. The electronic slider can be used on its own to capture panoramic shots. You can use the blue mount which is slower. Just great for panoramic images or time-lapse videos. It is easy to fit and you can attach the action camera or use the phone mount for the smartphone. I would suggest to fit it on a tripod for better stability. I don't suggest to use the camera in this mode just because of the weight. It can fall and damage it. The slider can also be used on the track. I told you earlier that it can be used in manual mode or electronic mode. The track is made of aluminium. It has an adjustable foot that allows basic leveling on uneven ground. You can also wrap the claw around different objects to move the camera vertically or at an inclined angle. The rails also has a bounceback clip. The electronic slider has one pin on each side and when it gets to the end of the track the pin is pressed against the clip and it activates the slider to move in the opposite direction. The clip can be fitted anywhere on the track to shorten the travel distance. The track can be extended by using the middle joint. You can use the ball joint, which fits perfectly on the electronic slider. Make sure you secure it. Now you can fit the action camera or the smartphone. In this mode you can also use the camera, but I suggest only for horizontal shots. If you use it at an inclined angle or vertically, it can fall and get damaged. The last way to use this electronic slider is to fit it with wheels so it can be used on smooth platforms. Now you can use the orange mount, which is fitted the same way as the blue one, the power wheel which needs to be attached to the orange mount, and the micro dolly attachment which needs to be fitted on the other side and secured by the fastening screw. One thing that needs to be mentioned is that when you use this set with a smartphone, you need to turn off the optical image stabilization system, as it may introduce vibrations on its own just due to the way this system operates. The dolly has steering wheels, allowing it to run in various size circles. It is great for product reviews and for time-lapse videos. All well and good until now, but this director set has some flaws. The first one would be the gaps in the plastic teeth. Because of that, you will see a noticeable bump as the motor unit tries to go over it, or even worse, at lower speed the slider will stop. Another issue that I noticed is that the electronic slider is not silent, especially at higher speeds. All of the time the microphone picked up the motor hum, so if you film and really need sound, keep this in mind. It might be worth it to have an external microphone away from the slider. So, who can use it? Everyone that wants to get some unique video shots, to add some style to their videos, or enjoy to create short videos on social media platforms or YouTube. It is great for product reviews and for time-lapse videos. I am interested to find out your opinion about this product. What do you think? Is it a great tool to increase your filming skills? Let me know in the comment section below. During the past weeks, I was thinking how to interact more with you guys. So one of the ideas was to add a section to my videos called Question of the Video, not Question of the Day, Question of the Video, starting from the next product review. How does it work? Well, just type a question in the comment section on any of my reviews. I'll pick one question and I will answer it in the next video. Don't worry, I'll answer to all of your questions in writing. I hope you enjoyed this video, hit the like button if so, and subscribe to be notified of other great product reviews. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.